everybody, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So today we're opening something new to our channel. This is a PINCHme box. How cute is this? I've seen some of you guys unbox PINCHme boxes on your channels, and I've heard people talking about it. This is the first time I've gotten anything like this sent to me. So PINCHme sent me this box to show you guys some examples of what you can get. I'm getting a little ahead of myself. I will tell you all about PINCHme and then we will get to the box. But before we do that, I just want to remind you that we do have some giveaways going on our channel. One ends super soon, the 5,000 subscriber giveaway, and then there's also the Yod giveaway. So check those links out down below if you have not yet entered. So if you do not know what PINCHme is, let's learn a little bit more about it because it's pretty new to me. PINCHme is an online service that lets members try products from leading brands in exchange for their feedback. It's 100% free. Awesome, best part. So I just pulled up some information so we can learn all about it like I always do with new boxes on my channel. Even though this technically isn't a subscription box, it's still a box and it's new and we're going to learn a little bit more about it. So it says, think Birchbox, but no credit card is required and shipping is even free. So extra awesome, free everything. This is just free. So PINCHme lets you discover and try products from leading brands, again, completely for free. All they ask is for your feedback on the product. So pretty much what it is you get items sent to you for free, and all you have to do in exchange is write a review, which is so simple. So you just get the products, try the products, write a simple review, and that's it. Keep enjoying your products. So every month they have an amazing range of new free samples that are released on PINCHme.com for members to claim. I almost said complain, for members to claim. And this happens on a day called Sample Tuesday. It's usually the second Tuesday of every month. Super exciting. So the products range from beauty, snacks, pets, baby, and much more. And this is a service that's available to everyone in the US. So to increase your chances of getting a PINCHme box, they say you should make sure to complete your profile. So I'm going to leave a link on the top of my description box so you guys can sign up for free if you have not yet already. And then make sure you fill out your profile. And they say when you fill out your profile completely, this will let them know more about you. So then they will know what to send you and there'll be more chances to match you with relevant free samples. So the box I have here is considered the exclusive VIP influencer box. So there'll be a few more samples in here than usual, I believe. But I don't know what's in here yet, so let's see. I'm super excited. All right, here is what it looks like when I open it. And there's a welcome note, so let's read that first. It says, welcome. We're so thrilled for you to join our exclusive PINCHme Influencer Club. We hope you enjoy this box of amazing products and share it with your followers, which I am doing right now, my amazing followers. And then there's some more information about how PINCHme works. Let me see if I missed anything. It says, yep, once a month we'll email you when free samples are available and provide your honest feedback on the samples to claim more. And you can complete surveys daily. They have something called PINCHme, I guess. So you complete surveys daily and be guaranteed weekly exclusive sample boxes. And then they also have a Treat Me tab. So it says click on the Treat Me tab and receive daily emails with special offers and savings PINCHme has sourced for you. So awesome, you could try new things and they offer savings as well. So again, the link will be down below. And the first thing I see in here, oh my god, there's such a wide variety of stuff. I just peeked in. There's a card here, so it says Just Because Minis by Hallmark. This is so cute. It says this is a paper hug. Oh, I could use a paper hug. So cute. Oh, wow. And then inside, this is what I see. Let's see, what is this? It says hand deliver a little happiness. Stash little surprises everywhere with new Just Because minis. Exclusive at Hallmark Gold Crown stores. So this is brand new to Hallmark apparently. These tiny cards you can use to tell people how much you care. Just Because mini cards, 3 for $5 or 8 for $10, regularly $1.99 each. So there's a bunch of them in here. And there's a coupon code too. Save $2 when you purchase a Hallmark card. So that's nice to have. So let's see, these are so cute. Oh my god, they're so little and adorable. So the first one says good luck today, and then you open it and it kind of pops out and it says I'm rooting for you. How cute are these? Oh my gosh. And there's little envelopes too that come with them. Something about like little baby envelopes are just the cutest ever. So there's several others they sent me. This one says ugh. And on the inside it says, sorry life's a little messy right now. Oh, that's sweet. Oh my god, there's one with a little cat and it says, you're on my mind today. And then when you open it, and in my heart. How cute. And then the last one I have here says, how are you so awesome? Seriously, how? That's so cute. I love little things like that. That really can brighten someone's day. I mean, I feel brightened just opening it. Next up, we have something by Clorox. This is the Ultra Clean Disinfecting Wipes. Kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. Has a lemon twist scent. Is bleach free. Awesome. We can all use this. Everyone can use a little bit of cleaning, right? Awesome. Oh, cool. Some Band-Aids. I could use more in my house. Next Care waterproof bandages. There's 20 assorted sizes. Stays on, keeps out water, dirt, and germs. Another thing we all could use, right? Just having these around the house is definitely handy. There's been times where I've needed something like that and it was not there. Next is by Dr. Dennis Gross, the Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel, a patented 2-step peel with 7 acids to help smooth fine lines, minimize the look of pores, improve the appearance of even tone and texture. There's 3 treatments in here. It says achieve clinical results at home. Cool, so this is like a peeling mask, or you just like apply this at night. And on the side it says cruelty free, awesome, vegan, paraben free, phthalate free. You just use it once a day for 3 days, cool. Awesome, so we got some skincare. Oh my god, these little treats. This is Michael Augustin 2 cookie cookies, cookie square baked in France, milk chocolate and melty caramel. Oh my god, I need this. This looks so good. Have you guys tried these before? Oh my god, yes, I love stuff with caramel. Here's another one. Let's see, are there a few in here? Yep, here's another one, same flavor. I think, yep. But it looks like there might be some other ones with different flavors. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, there's some that say cookie squares, baked in France. These are dark chocolate with a pinch of sea salt. Yum, these look so good. And they're like little bite size, so like, you know, I'm trying to get healthier, lose some weight, so just maybe, hopefully I can just have one at a time, we'll see. Oh my god, I love this. This is, okay, so I've been testing out natural deodorants, trying to find the best, and this is one of them. I've been trying your one brand, and yeah, this scent too. And this is a native deodorant in coconut and vanilla. And spoiler alert, I do like this one. This one definitely smells the best out of all I've tried. Like, I need to take a smell right now. These smell so good. It smells so good. So I am happy to have this. So this is a smaller size, but it does last like longer than you would think. So I'm definitely happy to have another. Okay, this is something I won't consume, but someone that's over could use it. I just don't like mayonnaise, but this is Heinz Real Mayonnaise, deliciously creamy packet. If my mom's watching, she's probably gagging right now. It's like a family thing. We just don't like mayonnaise. And then we have Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Wipes. I do think these perform very well, but unfortunately they're not cruelty free, but these wipes are awesome. These are like the most effective that I've used. And then we have something by PINCHme. This is cushioning, comfort, and confidence. Instant pain relief, faster healing, stays in place for lasting protection. Oh, so this is like for blister care. And where they're showing it on the heel, that is where I always get irritated. Like, I went on a long walk yesterday and my gym shoes were like rubbing against that. And yeah, it got irritated. So I think I might put this on before I go on a walk again tomorrow. So cool, definitely something that will come in handy that I actually need and I'm excited to try out. And then it looks like we have one more thing in here. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is by Drunk Elephant. Drunk Elephant Umbra Sheer Physical Defense Broad Spectrum SPF 30. I'm so pumped about this. my god, they saved the best for last. I mean, I guess they didn't really know what order I was gonna pull things out of, but I actually have never tried Drunk Elephant. I have 2 other products by them I got from Sephora for like my birthday, like, you know how they give gifts. I haven't tried them yet just because I've been using other stuff, but this I'll try right away because it's sunscreen. And I've said in a recent video I'm trying to wear SPF daily, especially I'm trying to get out of the house more. That sounds so pathetic. When I leave the house, I'm gonna make sure I have this on my face, and I am going to test this out, so let me know what you guys think. I think this was such a good mix of things. So this is supposed to show you like what you could possibly get in your PINCHme boxes. So if you guys have not yet signed up, like what are you waiting for? It is free and super easy. You just get stuff like this sent to your house, you try it out, and then you review it online, and then you can possibly get even more stuff the next month. So I think this is such an awesome service. I love it. I am so excited now to start doing this. I've tried things like Influencer before, but now I have another service to do this with, try more products, review more products. You know I love to review things, so awesome. I think this is great. You guys have to let me know if you guys received anything super awesome in your PINCHme boxes. But anyways, I will let you guys go. Stop rambling. Someone recently told me, and like, well, they've told me multiple times in multiple videos, they keep commenting that I talk too much. Like I don't, you know, like I should cut my words by 50%. Makes me want to just talk even more. But anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.